Alright folks, gather round, because today we're diving into the wild west of the stock market where Bitcoin dreams meet biotech nightmares, starring none other than KWM Media, Ltd. and Cellectar Biosciences. Buckle up, because this ride's got more twists than a soap opera and more drama than your last family Zoom call. First up, KWM Media, ticker symbol QWM. Now, this stock just pulled a Houdini on us, shooting up over 100% today after announcing they're throwing $500 million into Bitcoin. Yep, you heard that right. $500 million of your friendly neighborhood speculative entertainment company's treasure chest is now riding the crypto roller coaster. Because when you think stable investment, you definitely think let's put everything into a digital coin that can tank faster than your Wi-Fi during a Zoom meeting. Here's the kicker: QWM has been on a losing streak since its IPO, dropping over 80%. It's like that friend who promises they're turning their life around but somehow ends up in even more trouble. The stock's been bouncing between $1.52 and $6.38 like a ping pong ball on a caffeine high. No revenue, negative earnings, and a P/E ratio so negative it's practically in the upside down. Analysts, they're basically shrugging and saying, maybe it's a party stock for gamblers. The 30-day analyst price target is 0, which is either a bold prediction or a cry for help. So, should you buy QWM? Only if you enjoy living on the edge, like skydiving without a parachute or investing in a company that treats Bitcoin like it's the golden ticket in Willy Wonka's factory. Otherwise, it's probably safer to stick to something a little less roller coaster and a little more merry-go-round. Now, let's switch gears to Cellectar Biosciences, ticker CLRB. This one's the biotech equivalent of a mad scientist's garage project. They're developing cancer drugs, which is noble and all, but their financials look like a horror story. No revenue, a net loss of $24.5 million, and an EPS that's more negative than your bank account after a weekend in Vegas. The stock's been hanging out near its 52-week low, which is about as comforting as finding a spider in your vegan tofu scramble. The analysts have slapped it with a hold, which in Wall Street speak means we're not sure if this is a diamond in the rough or just a really shiny rock. The biotech world is notorious for sudden spikes when trial results come in, but it's also a graveyard of diluted shares and shattered dreams. Investing here is like betting on a horse that might win the Kentucky Derby or might trip over its own hooves before the starting gate opens. So, is CLRB a buy? Only if you've got a stomach for biotech roller coasters and a wallet padded enough to survive a few rounds of dilution. Otherwise, it's probably best to admire from afar and maybe send some good vibes their way. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment below, and share this video.